Hi everyone, we're currently waiting to get onto the bus to go to Bell Helicopter with the rest of the LA Tech team. So we're gonna check in with you later. Bye. There's the bus.
Alright guys, what do you get?
Save me a spot.
Hi Sammy!
We're moving. Everyone cheer.
Hi guys!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Okay, so we're on our way right now. We just sang 3 songs, half of them, because we don't know the rest of the words, because you know. We're on a bridge.
You're literally on a bridge.
Dab or hit the one. Do something.
I'm gonna break her neck.
Okay.
Guys, let's do the mannequin challenge. Okay.
Hit the whoa.
Oh, I'm good at a mannequin.
Hit the whoa.
What is it? That? No.
Oh my god.
L-P.
Stop it!
Q-R-S T-U-V W-X-Y-N-Z.
Oh my god.
This is what outside looks like right now. It's very cloudy. There's everyone else. And there's a red truck. I'm testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. That's where we're going. Apparently said by, oh yeah, there it is. It says Bell. Okay.
Whatever, like it's 11.
Yeah, we're going right there.
I don't like this.
There's a helicopter. You can't really see it, but it's there. We just arrived and we all got badges. And we can't film anymore because we can't go inside with a camera. Hey, Captain.
Hi.
Mentally. Okay.
Hello there.
Okay, so we just finished the tour. It was really cool. We went into the simulator thing. We also saw where they built the different parts of the helicopter and went into engineering labs and the fatigue lab, which is where they test the strength of metal. We also went into the engineering lab, which is actually really cool. And then we also went where the end products are, so like the show products for like clients. It was super cool. Okay, how do you feel about the trip?
I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot, and I really like the helicopter, especially 429.
The 429?
Yeah.
About right now? That's Lily's favorite. It's very snowy out here right now, and slushy.
I'm not going through your bag.
Hi.
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 Sammy, where'd you put it? Has it happened? No,
Yeah, where's my phone?
Yes. Behind us.
Okay, did everyone like the trip?
Yeah.
Nico was being annoying the whole time.
Okay, so we're on the bus now. We walked a lot. There's Andy.
My thighs hurt.
We walked a lot. Everyone's legs hurt, and we're all thirsty and hungry because we didn't eat lunch yet. Oh Jesus! It's a very bumpy ride, and we're gonna be back in around an hour. So we're gonna be back at school in around an hour.
Yes.
So you know,
Water.
peace. Bye.
Water.
These people are going crazy. We've only been in the bus for like 10 minutes. I found a granola bar. It's delicious.
No, I already went crazy on the floor.
Well, it was a good trip overall, but my favorite part, probably the simulation.
The simulation?
Okay, don't zoom in on my face too much, okay?
Okay, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part of the trip was talking to all the different people and really seeing what the studies lead to and getting a better idea of what you can do with an engineering degree, and just helps me to plan out my life a little bit.
Okay, what was your favorite part about this trip?
Okay, I absolutely love just seeing people working on like the airplanes lab and all the different labs and all the different people that are doing different things just with one goal. So that was my favorite part. Like I enjoyed speaking with the people, but I love.
Keep on going.
I'm a very hands-on person, so I really enjoy seeing things and being able to see what people actually do and how it all comes together.
Thank you. Okay, so what was your favorite part about the trip?
My favorite part about the trip, I really liked having a look around the production zone, seeing how they organised everything, and I particularly liked being able to fly the helicopter simulator longer than Mr. Kotek.
Okay, what's your favorite part about the trip?
My favorite part is that it's inspirational for all the kids. It will hopefully get them into engineering and maybe make right choices in their careers.
Thank you. Hi, welcome to my Minecraft Christian server.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. There's Julian. Welcome to Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Oh, it's really puffy.
You went off again.
It feels like a roller coaster on this thing.
I'm just gonna push myself down.
We're about a block away from the school right now, and boo, we still have to go to last period.
I'm muting you. I'm muting you.
So what was your favorite part?
I really liked when we went to the innovation center of the Bell helicopters, and we could see all the technologies that they're working on that are still work in progress, and how those people who work there, they don't even need to worry about if they get something wrong, because that's part of their job. It's getting it wrong and then making it better.
Thank you.